My name is Saddam, and these are my sons, Uday and Kusei. We are doing a new segment on our home videos, and we're going to practice some target practice. Ready, Kusei? Run, Kusei, run! That way. Shoot him! Oh, very good, very good! Oh, are you okay? Come on, cameraman, can't you get anything right? Let's get it. Okay, let's practice one more time. This time, Kusei, you shoot Uday. Uday, run. You get more mean than that? Very good, very good. Ready for some practice playing ball? Ready, catch. Can't you catch? Here, you catch. Very good, Uday. Now, Kusei, throw the ball. Throw the ball. No, you missed. Get the ball and hit me. Get the ball and hit me. Oh! Oh! Oh, you're strong. Hello, Uday.
This is my friend, Hector Sylvester.
How dare you bring the infidels from Israel to my house? Oh! Oh! Jeez! Okay, guys, this is our military obstacle course. In order to prepare you for manhood, you must start with a sand dune climb. Cross the giant ocean. And then go down, and then you're going to avoid the bombs. And I need you to do it as fast as possible, or you're going to get it. You hear me? Ready? One at a time. Uday, you start first, and then Kusei, you after him. Ready? Go! Come on, you can do it. Get up there, Kusei. Come on! Okay. Oh, look at Uday. You cross that like Uday, or do I have to help you like I always help you? Oh my goodness. Hey, watch out for the bomb. Watch out for the bomb. Oh my goodness. Come on, Kusei. Here we go. I'll help you again. Gee, I always have to help you. Oh. Now get up there. Keep moving. Moving. You're going to be the wimpy one. Keep going. Get under there. And don't hit the bombs. Watch out. Don't get the bombs. You get under there. Do I have to come after you? Get under there. Get going. Come on. Oh, I got to help you again. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Get out of there. Let's go. I got to help you with everything. Oh, can't you be like your big brother? He's so good.
Go.
Back to the home videos. Now, as you can see, my sons have grown up. Okay, cameraman, you can show they got sons here.
Father, I can't get this on me.
Oh, man. You are the bigger one, Kusei. You are younger but bigger, and I still have to help you with everything. Can't you be like your brother, Uday? Look at how he puts his headdress on perfectly. Here, I'll help you. Just for that, I'm going to tape it to your head so you never have to worry about it.
Oh, Father. Oh. It's cutting off my circulation.
I don't care.
Oh. My brain. Tested the nuclear weapons, Father.
And those infidel Americans don't even know it.
Go.
Okay, my sons, we've made it to the safe house. Whew. Lots of food. Oh, that's good.
Do we have enough ammo?
I don't know. I forgot to check that.
Can we,
You're a spy! Oh,
What?
you're my son. You're not a spy.
can we fit in the ammo?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
If it was, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for those infidel Americans invading our country.
You should have had better defense.
You were in charge of the defense.
Them clumsy.
I always have to help you. Aye.
What does he do?
The Americans are
Ovens.
here.
Americans, it's time for you two to be on your own.
What? Come back!
No, you on your own now.
My muffin is done! No!